I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and confirming access. Sign into Settings and tap your name at the top. This gives you account options. Once done, make sure iCloud backup is complete so you can restore later if needed. If two-factor is enabled, you will need the verification code from another trusted device or SMS. Don't skip verifying credentials. Without them, you cannot turn off Find My, and you'll be blocked later in the process. You now perform the core action. Open Settings, tap your name, then Find My. Tap Find My iPhone and toggle it off. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to confirm, and if requested, the two-factor code. This authenticates you and removes activation lock. Make sure the device stays online while the change propagates to Apple's servers. If you have multiple devices, repeat individually or confirm they show Find My disabled in iCloud. You finish by signing out of iCloud if your goal is full deactivation. Once Find My is off, check iCloud. To confirm the device no longer appears. If the password is rejected, reset your Apple ID password at iForget. Apple, or start account recovery. This can take time. If the device is offline, make sure it reconnects to the internet or, as a last resort, remove it from your Apple ID via iCloud. Once it's reachable. One troubleshooting tip: reboot and retry if changes don't appear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.